NFPA 70E requires cardiopulmonary resuscitation, or CPR, training for employees whose duties warrant such training. This requirement isn't limited to just electrical workers. Any employee who might be exposed to electrical hazards and could potentially require CPR in an emergency situation should receive the training. Consider the following examples. Firstly, electrical workers. Due to the inherent hazards of working with electricity, all electrical workers should receive CPR training. Secondly, HVAC technicians. While HVAC technicians might not typically work on live circuits, they could still be exposed to electrical hazards, such as accidental contact with energized equipment. Thirdly, instrument technicians. Instrument technicians might work on low voltage equipment, but they might also encounter higher voltages during troubleshooting or repairs. Fourthly, controls technicians. Similar to instrument technicians, controls technicians might work on both low voltage and higher voltage equipment. While it's generally advisable to avoid working alone on electrical tasks, it's not always feasible. In cases where working solo is necessary, it's even more important for the employee to be CPR certified. CPR training offers several benefits. Firstly, increased safety. CPR can help save lives in electrical emergencies. Secondly, improved employee confidence. CPR training can give employees confidence in their ability to handle emergencies. Thirdly, enhanced teamwork. CPR training can promote teamwork and cooperation among employees. While CPR training is crucial, it's not a substitute for proper work practices and risk assessment. Organizations should evaluate the risks of solo work and implement measures to minimize the potential for accidents. This might include 1. Establishing clear procedures for working alone. 2. Providing appropriate safety equipment. 3. Implementing a buddy system where possible. And 4. Establishing clear communication protocols. In conclusion, CPR training is an important part of electrical safety and should be provided to any employee whose duties could expose them to electrical hazards, regardless of whether they work solo or not. Organizations should also consider the risks associated with working alone and implement appropriate measures to minimize the potential for accidents.